I love tacos, probably because I was born in Albuquerque, New Mexico. But I love eating tacos. I love eating taco salad. I love everything there is about tacos, except for in today's economy, ground beef is too high and I won't pay for it. So, back when I was married, my wife at the time was on a health kick, and she would make tacos out of rice. You cannot tell the difference in the texture. We had company over, Paul Daly, I believe, Paul and Corleen Daly came over. They loved them. Paul had a few, I'll put it that way. So all you have to do is cook the rice as directions in the rice package, without the butter, of course. And then I got a different skillet here. Pour the rice into the container that you want to make your taco meat out of. Stand by, I'm going to clean the rest of that out of there. That's probably 2 or 3 pounds of rice there. It was a whole package. But after you cook it, and then add your taco seasoning. If I was to buy ground beef, and I got to add some water, because that's how I make my ground beef or rice or whatever, is by adding water to it to give you that contingency, and then just stir it around. The package, the taco seasoning package, I believe it called for 1 pound. So I got 2 packages of seasoning I'm going to add to this. And once you add all the trimmings, and once I add another package of seasoning, it will be darker. But honestly, you can't tell the difference in whether it's rice other than looking at it. Taste-wise, it looks the same, and it tastes the same as ground beef tacos as rice tacos. Money-wise, I just got through saving a ton of money, because right now ground beef is like $4 a pound or something like that. So it would cost me about $16 or $17 to make what I have right here. So I hope y'all like this video. Please try it. It's very good. You add whatever trimmings that you like to your tacos. I like jalapenos and crunching up taco shells, and salsa and cheese, and I just like it hot. But again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and try this. It'll save you a lot of money, and rice is healthier for you than most ground beef out there. It's full of grease and fat. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless.